Now, let's explore the unparalleled popularity of birth control pills, boasting a remarkable 99% success rate when used correctly. Their seamless integration into daily life allows for uninterrupted spontaneity in intimate moments, while their reversible nature ensures fertility restoration upon cessation. Beyond pregnancy prevention, birth control pills wield a myriad of health benefits, ranging from menstrual cycle regulation to the management of conditions like PCOS and endometriosis. Moreover, they exhibit a protective effect against various cancers and offer relief from bothersome symptoms such as menstrual cramps and migraines. While the majority of side effects are mild and transient, including sore breasts and mood changes, it's imperative to acknowledge and address any concerns that may arise. In essence, birth control pills epitomize modern contraception, embodying safety, efficacy, and versatility in catering to diverse reproductive health needs. Now we will witness a recorded interview with Dr. Maria Fetiazon, a obstetrician gynecologist from Diosdado Macapagal Memorial Hospital in Guagua, Pampangan. One here insights towards the female reproductive system and the menstrual cycle.